I'm going to hard boil a couple eggs in here with no vinegar, hard boil a couple more in here with the vinegar to show a little bit more adequately the difference between peeling eggs with vinegar versus no vinegar. I have farm fresh eggs here. We have laying hens, and farm fresh eggs are incredibly difficult to peel. The shells just crumble, the eggs fall apart. So I'm very interested to see if this works. So I'm just going to start boiling my water here, getting this rolling. And of course, I'll show you guys me splashing in the vinegar, dropping in the eggs, and of course the peeling process to see if there really is a difference and if this vinegar is going to be a new magical hack in my everyday life. So I'm personally very, very, very excited to try this. I am not going to be adding salt to my water. I just want to do this experiment very simply to see if the vinegar really helps. So we're starting with the egg that was boiled with vinegar, and it started to peel exponentially easier than what it typically does. It was kind of crumbly. This was the hardest egg to peel out of all of the eggs that were boiled with the vinegar versus without. I also wanted to peel eggs that were laid by the same breed of chicken because that also plays a difference in how easy the eggs peel. So I made sure when I was peeling eggs in comparison side by side for you guys that they were from the same breed of chicken, and then we're going to move over to the egg that was boiled without vinegar, and you're going to be able to see instantly the difference between the two. You're going to see the entire egg actually ends up cracking in half, and I couldn't even peel it. It was kind of a waste of an egg, but that is typically how these go. So I would definitely say that 100% I'll be boiling all of my eggs with vinegar from now on. I'm really excited that I discovered this hack. I actually just found it scrolling through Pinterest and thought it would be cool to give it a try. End result here, just showing you guys a little bit. These are the ones without vinegar, so you can see they ripped right off. Just like, this is typically what it's like when I peel eggs. These are the ones with vinegar. They're whole. There's not a whole lot of indentations picked out of them. Everything came off really well, super easy, and I'm very happy with this. I will definitely be putting vinegar in my eggs from now on when I hard boil them. It's a really cool hack, and I'm really happy that it worked out. It's gonna make my life a whole lot easier. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you're going to try this, and I'll see you guys in my next one.